Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 5:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 1st, 2021. It's not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, be notified of these videos when they come out, as well as the thumbs up and share the video. Here to talk about Web 3.0 cryptos, namely the Graph, or GRT, as well as iExec, or aka RLC. Lots of acronyms. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Here's the Graph US dollar. Man, we keep showing signs of strength and coming back down. I think we're kind of hitting some real consolidation pattern here over the last several days since, about a week ago, kind of chopping around here. There is this line over here which looks like resistance, short-term, very short-term line, by the way. This is going back a week and a half. But take a look at the bigger picture here. You have to look at the bigger picture because that's what we're in it for, not for the short-term, day-to-day stuff. This is that giant area of resistance. We have now passed it. So we are going to consolidate here probably for a little bit until our next leg up. Now, if I was to take a look at this a little bit closer, what I can see is that this is the short-term line of support, which is roughly where we're at right now. Around 98 cents is where our current support is for this price action on the graph relative to dollar. Now, taking a look over here, this is the graph relative to the Bitcoin. So, same kind of thing, 1568 on the support line, but we've definitely hit highs here of 1700, 1800. So if we get past 1800, I think we're on our merry way, and this is really the key indicator for me to show me that we're really making significant moves. So, we're going to consolidate here for maybe for another day or two. We're going to have to keep our eye on it, but RLC to dollar right now, definitely trying to get back over the 432 range. We're really snuggled up on that line, up and down and all over it. So we'll have to see how this plays out. But what's definitely interesting is we're starting to see an area or a channel of where I think we're headed on this thing. I think this RLC is definitely starting to show signs of life. I think we start trekking up the channel, but we're going to have to keep our eye on it because we're obviously on the low end of it. But let's take a look at RLC Bitcoin. Definitely RLC Bitcoin looking like we're still caught between two lines. I'm going to zoom out for more. This is kind of like the line that we've had way back when, back in October of 2020, and certainly continuing to show that this is a promising line of support. We have a slightly shorter term line of support right around here, but we have broken it. Now we're kind of caught between these two. So what we really want to see here is this price action to get back over the orange line, which is currently situated at 74.63. It's a good 6 or 7% away from where we're at right now. But in the meantime, let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's consolidating nicely. We did break that resistance line on the channel that had been happening for about 2 weeks or so. Now on this consolidation period, I think our next leg up is within this week. And I think I think it's eventually, probably towards the end, maybe the weekend, I think we're going to see Bitcoin rally pretty hard. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is going down. Man, at the height, we were like mid part of October, we were around 47.66. We're all the way back down to 43.69, which is now starting to look like we may have a rougher ride on the way back, or maybe not at all. But we're going to continue to keep our eye on it, and I'll continue to tweet out to you folks. Anyway, graph sitting at 98.69, and the RLC pair sitting at 428. Anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.